Hi, it's Steve from Stevie's Wooden Things. Welcome back, and this is the second edition of my Mitre workstation build. I got the frame done yesterday and the Mitre in situ with a nice flat bed. And now I'm going to take it that one stage further. I'm thinking of incorporating my mortise machine into the station. So this is my mortising machine. Basically it's got a cast iron bed with a small fence behind it. I will have to incorporate into it the travel of the bed, which is basically across like that. So I'm going to crack on with that, and I'll let you know over the next few days how we get on. Cheers!